Okay, Derek here with the Closet Doctor. This is our improved assembly table. So we build a lot of these large garage cabinets. This is a 8-foot tall, 2-foot wide, 2-foot deep cabinet. We also make a 4-foot wide one, so weighs a couple hundred pounds. With our old assembly table, it sat down low on the ground, and when we were done building the cabinet, we had to slide it off and stand it up so that we could put it in the trailer. The issue is pretty heavy. We had guys stepping up on the table, jumping down on the table, a bunch of different issues. So I was in Las Vegas and saw this at Walters and Wolf, and so we adapted their design to ours. So Michael, go ahead and demonstrate now how we pull this off. So we got a lever on it, we lift that lever and the table rotates. And go ahead, he can stand that cabinet up all by himself without any additional work, and it slides right off. So what we've got is we've got our scissor lift here, and then we added onto it a steel frame with we built a locking mechanism on it, and then we've got hydraulic lift arms off of what you would use on the hatchback on a car, and we've got 2 of those, and so it's actually staged, so it's got pretty good lift on the way up, and then as it gets to the top, one of them stops and the other one kind of pushes a little farther. And then we also have weight underneath on the bottom here for a counterbalance, so it just makes it nice and easy for it. And then when we're done, he can give it a pull just by himself, and it'll pull back down into the closed position. And we're still working on it and fine-tuning and improving it, but a big help now when we're building cabinets that we can one guy can just stand them up and we don't have to climb around or do anything.